not for Charlie boy. The earlier we realize, the better it will be.
You know this thing is wrong. I don't understand. How can you want to sleep with me? Your friend's wife.
I did go there, come here. What are you trying to say? Now listen to me. The world is no longer the way you used to see it. Everybody don't open eye. Only you remain alone. What's the worry you? Hey! See, your husband, you think he's a nice person. What do you mean, a nice person? Eh?
He is.
What do you mean by yes?
He doesn't deserve this.
And your housemate, see the way the girl is shining. That's the handwork of your husband. Oh no, only made the girl. You don't know.
How did you?
Inaju, how did you know? Is he not my best friend? There is nothing he's doing on earth that I don't know. Your husband is there. Now you're able and you are here saying, touch my husband. What? Something, your husband asked me.
Okay.
Like here, forming good person. What do you know? Can you hear me? See, let me tell you. See, if married women come out, can you come out? Can you proudly come out and say you are married?
Yes.
Obi Kuregi, yes. Okay, what are the signs and wonders that follows marriage? Hey! We are there in your body. Okay, signs and wonders say I'm a married women. When can I?
Chai!
Topo. Don't see, you better go and register as a widow. Yes! They have an association for fresh widows. Go and join them.
I cannot do that.
What do you mean? You are lacking husband as I'm looking at you. Hey! Let me come in and be a husband figure to you.
This is plain.
Let me be a husband figure. When you get your husband. You get your husband. And when you young put him, let me deal with you. Let me come Kurikoge. Kurikoge, do you know no deep Sereno? You don't know deep Sereno. In a attack it. And you dog again, and a charge. Your mate in marriage, this is what I'm looking for. Opportunity, they could do mendo. Hey! You didn't know, didn't marry Joshi, Kyotawi, Ki, happy. Me, Poga, Kurume. The in where the gauge, and we gauge, you know, a scale in his scale. Mother Tati, by here, Potaqua, Yadipotodi, no shaking, and no shaking. Yeah, they do, name Maria. In a bad, because Kulo Dan can go with them CD. 4 tracks here, you got 4 tracks. I give me straight. DJ select, I give me change. What jaga. Nah, then I go to CD. I almost say so. Baby, I have to go. See the Abella. I'm a need hele. I'm a need it all. Why, you Kede for an Amazon, which I can be on Azuki, I can be do. Yes! I'm with Azon Parabiawa in my home. Yinga Pogena, Jaja, we wait. Okay, and when you get me big, that your husband, You just work. Boop, goes weekend. I enjoy.
This is plain.
He gave me 10 million. Give out over you. But why, Yama? Come, she One, let's do this. Let's go. Can I be doing it?
Jesus!
Jesus!
Yeah!
Chief Newi, Chief Ozoboro.
Hey!
Enyi Merinya. So Mapa, this is you. Mwaba. So this is you. I thought you were my friend. No, let's mama na give way. So get such a henny game no 1 year room. My wife. Mwaba, you are the one feeding me with false information that Muyam na body if from Muyam Mutonyanka, if from Muyam Mutonyan cause. So all those men in asking in Muyam with. Oh, I should be asking you what you are doing here.
Are you playing?
No, I should be asking you what you are doing here.
You can't answer him. The cat caught your dog. Zanya.
Baby, are you here? I said, baby, sorry. He's involved in this.
She's not involved. There, Peter Ijiman Nagi, or you are involved.
I and my husband were together.
Hey.
You're not even ashamed of yourself. A married woman, you're bringing her into a hotel to sleep with her. You want to sleep with your friend's wife. All Nando's on the mirror, Igbo tradition. It's an abomination to sleep with a man that is not your husband. It's a taboo. And for the man that is sleeping with a woman that is not his wife, oh, there's a gigantic curse on his head.
Mama, why? What have I done to deserve this treatment from you? No, tell me, what have I done to you? Can you be the major? I lay baby, I gave you 3 million naira to support you. Everything in a minute when we be just to make sure you are successful in life. Then after all this, is to corner my wife. If I hear you talk, if you talk back at me, you ism no ism Muna go negwu. So what go do refine? O go do the name me again. No na like it anya ho o mama bend na lo be hadi. Must be my wife. No, must be my wife.
I call it when so.
You shut up your mouth. I call it Kwensubogi. You allow the devil to use you. Because I only make people home back. I also heard you tell her to give me rat poison.
Chai! Equem Naka, Equem Aquan, me put the channel indoors, you could man, Equem Naka. I want to see rat poison.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
You got rat poison, Makoke, go with Abu Bilata to okay.
Then go on one of the rats not in my house. Yes, go on one of the rats not in my house, and I'm going to give you that rat poison. Can you move like a key? Catch as a bishop. Hey! Do you know the cost you are attracting to yourself? Don't you know that the Bible said what God has joined together, no man should put asunder? Man, out of the whole women in the whole world. You are my wife. Your friend's wife. Will you shut up your mouth? He get near 10 million. Look at him. You need to be halfway when you get near 10 million naira. In association so. In association so now. In I see on have a tata. On have a tata. He gave me because he got KSC, he got way of cause. He got a penalty. He gets Chanel to he got clear round 4. On have a tata. You can't come back. And the you may do it today and go scot-free, but it's waiting for you tomorrow. Because that's some problem on your work or also some wine they use maybe fine on the look they must be my wife. Can't you? There are so many widows out there. And we don't know why they have gonna you go and meet them. Meeting people's wife, you are attracting curse upon yourself. Will you shut up your mouth? It's a in a hotel. In a hotel, give away a moto, you think I wasn't watching? I saw everything and they're all in my phone. I recorded you from the moment you stepped into this hotel. Hey. Yes, I have it on record. I am going to play your tape. Yeah. Make it what tape you got like it.
One them what take you work. You could hand in a name. Could hand in a name. Cool people tape. And maybe play the man. Maybe play the man. Where will you wait? Where will you go bank can go bank and will you?
This is playing.
A question on where? This is how we go around breaking people's home. And don't you today? If you are living this kind of life, they don't get attracted by young people. They only get attracted by people's wife. It's a curse. It's a curse. You're attracting curse upon yourself and your unborn generation. Change and turn away from your evil living.
Oh my God. Nonsense.
Idiot.
Useless man. Nonsense man. You think I'm one of those people? I love my husband and I trust my husband. I am my husband. We are a team. Nothing can come between us.
Oh, yes. I don't know.